Would you like to have the longest lasting and most trouble-free process tanks? Then Kynar PVDF tank linings and liners are for you. Kynar PVDF tank linings and liners are proven to be the best material of construction for chemical resistance at high temperatures. However, this material alone won't assure a long and trouble-free tank life. Weak and inferior hand welds often cause premature failure. GOAD guarantees no weld failures with its patented welding advancements, bending and butt welding machines, and radio frequency welding equipment. These GOAD fabrication methods eliminate hand welds. GOAD technicians are AWS certified plastic welders. GOAD adheres to stringent fabrication procedures and tests for weld strength. Kynar PVDF tank linings and liners from GOAD, the leader in linings, outperform the competition in aggressive chemical solutions at elevated temperatures. Why settle for less than the best? Contact GOAD Company today for more information and pricing on Kynar PVDF tank linings, box liners, and flexible drop-ins.